What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, I guess depending on where you're watching this or when you're watching this. But in any case, welcome back to the channel. We are back here in the garage. We have another vehicle here for us. I'll show you what we have. It's a Ram pickup truck. There's a pretty good shot in the door here. You could kind of see it. Kind of goes up over that body line, high up top there, and it's not going to be a fun one, actually. We'll see how this this one turns out. It's going to be a lot of tapping, just a lot of playing around with it. So we'll see what we could do. And then actually down here, there's like a scrape there, and you can kind of see like a crease, and that's going to be really tough because there's a bracing that's right there, and it's really tight in there. But once again, we'll take you along with us as we normally do, and we'll see what we can do, how it comes out. Let's get going. All right, we've been going on this thing for a while. It's a tough one. It's just not working out that good. I'll show you what we have. You can see there's like two lines up there, and they're just not going away. The right about here, there's a bracing that's just glued to that panel. It's super tight to get in between there. So it's just going really slow. We're trying to knock down the high spots and then just, keep working it. But you can see it's still ripply, and it's taken a while. Don't know how great this will come out, but I think it'll be a lot better. He just wants it looking better too. Like you could tell, like he has the scrape there. That's not going to come all the way out anyway, but we'll make it look good so it's not that noticeable for him. It's right on the driver's door, so that's something you see every time you walk up to your vehicle and stuff. So we'll keep going on it, but just showing you the results. Been on it, I guess, hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. So again, I mentioned that in my last video about like the frustration, beginner's frustration, and this is what happens. You kind of get fed up with it and kind of quit. But what you got to keep doing is just, keep doing the process, hit them low spots, knock down them high spots, and then just keep going. And then sooner or later, the dent works out. So we'll keep going on it, and let's see how it turns out. right, we are all finished up. It came out good. It was a tough one. Like I said, that bracing was really tight in there, up top, right where that eyebrow was on top of the dent. That's where the bracing was, and it was really tough trying to tap that and then work the dent out. And even down low where how that crease was, the bracing, there was another bracing that kind of ran right along with that. So that was a little tough, but we'll show you the results here. You probably saw in the video. It came out good. Like I said, there might be a little tiny shimmer if that, you know, the scratches are there. If he gets a good detail on this, I think it'll look really good. I think he should be happy with it. Again, it's like a work truck for him, but that was an eyesore, you know, I'm sure, walking up to that every time. So I'm glad it came out good. I think he'll be happy with it. All in all, it took me about 4 hours to do that. So again, it was a little tough. It was just really hard fine-tuning it and a lot of tapping. So, but it came out good. I'm glad I did it. Glad we made it look good for him. So if you guys can, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.